you're a Gmail user, dealing with spam emails and managing storage space can be time-consuming. However, with a few simple steps, you can easily block spam emails and clean up your storage, ensuring a clutter-free inbox. GadInsider will walk you through the step-by-step guide, helping you streamline your Gmail experience and stay focused on important messages. Log on to Gmail and select all the spam emails you want to unsubscribe from. Make sure not to select any important email IDs. Click on the eye icon at the top and you'll be shown the options to report spam or report spam and unsubscribe. Go through the list of IDs and if nothing important is shown here, choose the report spam and unsubscribe option. You'll now stop receiving emails from these accounts. To create filters to detect spam emails, open Gmail, click the search box at the top and type unsubscribe to list all promotional emails. Select all of these spam emails, but make sure you cross-check once in case there's a newsletter or mail that you might actually use in there. Click on the three dots at the top and choose filter messages like these. Now click on the create filter option and choose what you want to do with these emails. If you want these emails to be automatically deleted, you can click on the create a filter option and choose the deleted option. You'll get a pop-up at the bottom notifying you that a filter has been created. Apart from deleting, you can also choose to filter such emails by applying labels or marking them as read. When you share your primary Gmail ID on random websites, your ID gets shared with several third parties and you risk getting spam emails. Instead of using your primary Gmail ID on all websites, you can share a temporary one. First, visit any website that provides free temporary emails, such as tempmail.org. Now copy the temporary email address that's available and use this instead of your actual email ID wherever you like. And you'll get the emails here instead of your actual Gmail account. Alternatively, you can create a Gmail ID meant to be used only on such websites. In this way, your primary Gmail account will remain safe and spam-free.